Today we are going to look at how to fit the 09Design brake fluid cap. No tools required. First things first, need to remove the old cap, which may be very tight. Before you lift it away, make sure you've got a rag. There shouldn't be any brake fluid on the underside of the caps, but have a rag just in case. Brake fluid is very corrosive. You want to make sure you don't get it on anything painted, anything like that, because it can damage your paint. It's not as bad as it used to be. The old versions of it used to be horrific and it would take paint off in literally minutes. The newer stuff is not quite as bad, but it's still a good idea to not get it anywhere near your paintwork. Okay, so the 09Design cap comes complete with an OE quality seal, so you don't mess around taking the seal out of the old cap. And it is literally a direct fit straight on. Simple as that.